are celebrating our third annual Back to School Day. It's really a party, you could say, because we have more than 1,400 backpacks here for kids that are getting ready to go back to school, and we know they need the help, and we know that the parents could sure use the benefit of having those supplies already packaged together. And it's a lot of work for a parent, not only to find the supplies they need, but to be able to afford the supplies that they need. So putting that together and offering over 1,400 backpacks to parents who need that help, Fairfax County parents who need that help, can make a real difference. And maybe most importantly, we want to make sure that we leave no child behind. Meaning that every child is ready for school, they're ready to learn, and they can, frankly, reach their full potential. In addition to the fun and games out here today, we have lots of health screenings. We start with the Mason Neck Lions Club, which have vision and hearing screenings. We've got the Inova, which is doing lots of other health screenings. We've got Giant, which is offering low-cost vaccine. So lots of ways to make sure your kid is truly ready for school. And then we have more than 30 some really exhibitors, as well as many other donators that have really helped to fund and bring this all together. But this reminds me of so many other events like this that we do here, where we bring so many folks together to really make this a community celebration. And that celebratory part of it is what creates community. It's what gives us joy, what makes us want to be part of the neighborhood or the area that we live in, is that our friends and neighbors and others are out here celebrating, enjoying, and having fun, and just having a good time.